Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Apple gift card for Zepeto. First, you will need to redeem your Apple gift card. Find the 16-digit code on the back of your card. You might need to gently scratch off a label. Next, open the App Store on your Apple device. Tap your profile picture at the top right, then choose Redeem Gift Card or Code. You can use your camera to scan the code or type it in manually. Once redeemed, the funds are added to your Apple account balance, ready for use. Now that your Apple gift card is redeemed, making purchases in Zepeto is straightforward. Open the Zepeto app on your device and head to the in-game store. Browse and select the Zepeto coins, Zem, or any other virtual items you want to buy. When you proceed to checkout for your selection, your Apple account balance will automatically be applied as the payment method. Confirm your purchase, and your new items will be added to your Zepeto account instantly. A truly beautiful batch file isn't just functional, it's also visually appealing. You can dramatically improve aesthetics by using the color command. For instance, Color 0A sets a black background with bright green text. Always clear the screen with CLS at appropriate points to keep the output tidy. Use Title to give your command window a descriptive name and structure your output with clear headings and blank lines for readability. To ensure a smooth experience, remember a few best practices. Always buy Apple gift cards from reputable sources to avoid issues. Make sure the card's region matches your Apple ID country for successful redemption. Never share your 16-digit code with anyone you do not trust, and be cautious of scams requesting gift cards as payment. If you face any difficulties redeeming or using your card, Apple support is always available to help you out.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.